When you look at a painting, it often feels like it contains an endless number of colors and shades, especially in old paintings. Color there is almost never simple or straightforward. It's made of countless transitions, half tones, and complex combinations. But every time I work on restoration, one thing continues to surprise me. To recreate all of these shades, I actually need very little, 5 or 6 basic pigments, and from them, everything else gradually appears. And somehow, it feels to me that our lives are built in a very similar way. And their core are only a few things, very simple things, basic needs, basic values, the desire for safety, for freedom, for love, for a sense of meaning. But then, layer after layer begins to form around them. We complicate things, we create new conditions, new expectations, new meanings, new forms of anxiety. And at some point, everything becomes so complex that it is difficult to understand what actually matters most. Although, maybe, in order to understand what is happening in our lives, we need to move in the opposite direction. Not from simple to complex, but from complex back to simple, gradually removing what is unnecessary. Just like working with color, when from countless shades you try to return to the original foundation. Maybe that is why restoration feels like something more than just a technical process to me, because it constantly reminds me that even the most complex things are often built on a very simple beginnings. And perhaps understanding comes at the moment when among all the shades you finally begin to see the original colors.